How you guys doing? My name is Omar, coming to you live on how to make $100 per day using Clickbank. Just a little background on me. My name is Omar. And by the way, if you guys are interested in these type of topics on how to make money online using Clickbank or how to make money online in general, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to the bottom. I have more content coming in. Um, you know, Next week, this week, I'm actually going to start doing it more consistently. So, $100 per day online using Clickbank. Right now, I have my Clickbank account open. This is one of the accounts that I have. I have multiple, but this is it says here as of yesterday it was actually $101.22 that I made. So I've been online for 2 years trying to make money, and as of recent, I was able to make such a good amount that I was able to quit my job. So basically, the 2 years of failing, it was because I didn't know the information that I'm about to show you now. So it's a whole lot of value that I'm going to show you. If you're brand new, stay tuned. Or even if you have been on Clickbank but haven't been able to get sales, this information will be helpful for you too as well. So what I have here is a whiteboard. This blueprint and step right here is the main reason why people aren't making any sales. If they follow this, if you follow step by step, you'll make sales. So this says SP. SP stands for squeeze page. A squeeze page is basically a page that you would set up with an offer, a very good hook that you can offer someone that's interested, and they'll in a return for the information. It can be either like giving away a free ebook or free information that will be interesting to that customer. They'll just provide their email for that information or that ebook. For example, this is what I'm using here is called ClickFunnels. You may have not heard of it, but it's a very useful tool. Since I started using this, my sales has gone up to another level. So this is something that you would really want to use. But they have many different um, pages like this. Basically, squeeze page builders like this. You don't have to use ClickFunnels, but this is just the one that I recommend. But right here, this is, for example, a squeeze page that I use for a health product that I was selling. So it says, discover how I got rid of all of my unwanted fat within 4 weeks. So that's a good hook that someone who would want to lose weight would want to see. They would want to find out more information, and once they provide their email, that's a wrap. We get the lead. That is something that we can keep forever, man. So, for example, if you're trying to sell basically health products, basically just say health products, and they purchased it, you can just, if you have other offers, you can send it to them too. You have that lead forever. That's the main thing. You got to get the leads. You got to get the information, man. Someone said, a great affiliate marketing said, the money, the fortune is in the follow up. That's the key. So we have at the top part and the bottom part. So the top part, this is a squeeze page. After they opt in, they will go straight to a thank you page, basically thanking them for taking the time out to provide that lead, the email, and then it will go straight to the offer. Now, this top part, you may or may not get sales. So you may or may not get sales in the front end. But the major part is, of course, the back end, this bottom part right here. This is where you get all the money. So after the email comes in, it goes to an AR, which is an autoresponder. Now, autoresponder is a system where that's set up that would have automated emails set up um, by you that will go to them. You can set it up one per day. You can set it up two per day. You can set it up, set the duration for 90 days, 20 days. It doesn't matter. So to go out to them, and this is how they would purchase. Now, this is an autoresponder here. This is called AWEBER. It's very useful. They have plenty of different ones. They have Mailchimp. This is for $19.99, but I believe Mailchimp is for free. But I always recommend this one because honestly, the truth is, man, you get what you pay for. This is a good one. I haven't had any complaints with this one. But yeah, this has a free trial as well. I'm not sure how long it is, but if you click in my description at the bottom, I have a link to, I believe it's 30 a month. I'm not sure how long, but go ahead and click on the link in the description where you can get this free tool. You can try it out before you make your decisions. But yeah, so the emails would be sent out to them. This is an example. This is for a health product as well. So, and this is a good thing about using Clickbank too as well. They most of the time they have these already written. So all you have to do is just copy them and replace the link. Replace the link to the product there so that you can get paid. So the link is there. So each email will have a link to the back to the product, and then they will click on the link and it will go back to the offer again. So there's just a statistic that says it takes people 7 to 8 times to see something so they can make up their minds to purchase it. So they have to keep seeing that offer, and the more that they see it, they'll buy it. Because if they don't know you really, they won't trust you. So you have to be familiar to them. Now, let's see. Now I'm just gonna check. Just go through this. This is how you check. This is how you get an offer, a good offer in Clickbank. You just go to. Let me adjust my screen. You'll go to Marketplace. Click Marketplace, and then you can go to the three evergreen categories that people recommend to make money is health, wealth, and dating. That's the 3 essential things that everyone needs. So for this example, you go to health, and to find a good product, what I recommend is going down to gravity. Now, gravity means how much sellers have sold this product within the last month. So if it's high, if it's above 30, that's what I recommend. 30%. So above 30. If it's above 30, then you know that it's making sales. So what you would do is go ahead and put your information in and then hit promote so you can get your affiliate link. Go ahead and load up everything into the autoresponder, and then you would get your traffic. Now, this is a very good source, what I'm showing you, to get traffic. Now, this is called Udemy. It's a site where you would pay a vendor to send your ad to an email list. So most of them, they have 100 to 200,000 subscribers. So you'll send an ad. An ad would be like this. You can just create it. You just make it here. You can say whatever you want, and then you can choose the visitors here. It can go all the way up to 1,000. Some of them has cheaper, like less, which is like 50. I think is the lowest. That would be, some of them is $30. So And then what you do, you create the ad, or you can just put the link to your landing page directly there, and you'd hit add to cart. You can also choose the date here when you'd like for uh, the vendor to send your ad. And this is how you basically choose a good deal. We have vendors here that are selling clicks for 39 cents, 69 cents, 49 cents. But what I recommend is looking for vendors that have customers that made sales already. You see the green thumbs up? That means that they have people that are recommending it. So that's a good sign. So you would go ahead and make the ad. You would purchase the ad. You pick the date, and then everything would be set from there. So you'd get leads coming in. If no sales in the front end, then in the back end, you have that email sequence follow up, and that's how you would basically do it. That's the major reason why a lot of people aren't doing that. That's the reason why a lot of people are not making sales. But I've been able to get a lot of sales. This is a new account that you see here. I have about 3 of them. But that's basically it. You guys got to get started, man. There's a lot of money out here to be made. This is only one way. And again, I have plenty more information on this, on how you can make money online. I'm gonna start doing a lot more recording. So just go ahead and subscribe to my to my channel. Just click the link if you want more information. Um, like this, I also have an email list that you can go ahead and join. That can give you step-by-step help. But yeah, this is Omar. It was nice talking to you guys. Looking forward to getting messages from you guys about your good results. Just stay focused. If you gotta go ahead and rewind the video, go ahead and do that. Just follow it step by step, and you'll make sales. Thank you very much.